Hey guys and gals, welcome to the first episode of something I'm wanting to call Under the Hood. These hoods, not car hoods. And the purpose of this series is going to be training for welding and general fabrication. And that can be doing woodwork, doing textile work, doing whatever. But the beginning episodes will focus on stuff everybody in every trade can use, maybe a little tips for even guys who are into it already, and get you down the road a little faster. But we're going to focus on doing pretty short videos that are able to, that you can take in and not have a 25-minute video. This is, like I said, the intro. We're just trying to teach people stuff that they are going to get a lot harder in any other way. When I first started 15 years ago, I started pretty much very low wage, a lot of attitude from a lot of different guys in the welding shop, and that's okay. You got to earn your dues, obviously, but I think with the way the world's going right now and the shortages in all labor, and no young people are wanting to do much in any trades. A lot of whining going on about can't make enough money. Well, you can make money doing this, definitely. So what we'll focus on is, like I said, measurement in the beginning. That's the base of any trade, is being able to cut your pieces accurately and relay information to your other workers of what needs to happen. You can go and focus on a million different ways to weave your bead and everything and stack dimes and all this stuff, but most of that doesn't matter in a general fabrication knowledge. A lot of it, like I say, is using the measurement tools accurately, portraying your information accurately to the other trades that are going to be on a job or on a vehicle. I do a lot of vehicle stuff, and there's a lot going on there. So bottom line, this, like I said, is the introduction. We're going to teach you some welding and some measurement and see what we can do. Thanks.